Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video. I've put these vintage and antique book pages together in bundles. So I've got 5 of them. I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to show you them all. So I've got 5 bundles. I will put them on, I'll list them on my coffee shop. And I'll just quickly show you. So there's 50 pages in each bundle. There is obviously several book pages from each book. Obviously, there's the dictionaries, the mathematical books and algebra books. They range from, some of these are like 60 and 70 years old to over 100 years old. We'll get to them in a minute. So yeah, there's just, I use these a lot when I'm making my book page pockets. You can make envelopes, you can put them into your journals as pages. This is an old dictionary. I've got, I think one of them was a Spanish, French, I think. So yeah, they're just like, I think the minimum you get in each one is like 4 pages, maybe 2 pages. Oh, this, don't know what that book's from, what book is from, but there's so many. This is a Chinese dictionary. A Bible, an old Bible. It's not one of my own. That was old as well, very old. These are Welsh music sheet papers. These are quite delicate, as in like they're thin. I think you can hear how thin they are. And this is from the London Society book. That's the one that's like 1800s. That come from the 1800s, that did. So yeah, that's the book bundles. And like I said, there's 5 available. Last time I done these, they actually went pretty quick. I think somebody bought most of them. It's like, I think they bought, when I put 5 up, they bought 3 straight away. So yeah, so obviously each bundle will be slightly different, or well, they will be because they're book pages, but they're all from the same books. Okay, so you will find the link below. Have a browse around, check out my freebies, my digitals, any journals that I have for sale. Yeah, so speak to you soon. Bye.